Welcome, Loxon here again with my 82 Yamaha 550 Maxim. I got her all torn down. She was already torn down when I got her. If you check my first episode, you'll see what I did on here. Ended up cleaning out the carbs, made sure she rang, ended up getting sparked, messed with this tangled wire mess. So let's take a look at that previous week. Alright, so you saw that little finicky start after the video. I ended up cleaning up the carbs one more time because they sat for a minute, sucked all the gunk from the engine, turned the line. I didn't do that. So let's take a look at what she sounds like now. Good deal. Sounds amazing, as you heard. Really revving up. So what I ended up doing is putting this battery up here, tying on a makeshift gas tank, and hold that. I think I just got something in the mail. Okay, so scratch that. Post office guy just came. My package said it was out for delivery, and it's not here yet. Sunday. I'm surprised I saw the guy, but I bought my pegs for this thing so I could ride my girl on it. And yeah, so let's get back off to where we were. Okay, so it wasn't a full rebuild. I cleaned them out twice. So again, battery, gas tank got her fired up. I couldn't shift through the gears just sitting here. Still kind of can't. So I was concerned about the transmission. Does it work? Does it not? So I really had to find out. So I plan on taking this thing for a ride. Let's go. Oh. Haha. Wow! This thing's freaking awesome. Did you see all that? I was like, when? I was going down that road. The thing's gonna be quick. I'm glad I made it through all gears. I took it around the block. I made it through fifth gear, maybe sixth, I'm not really sure. Have to try it out again. But I hope you enjoy this just demonstrational video today of how this thing is actually gonna be working. Hopefully on the next videos you'll see me installing my foot pegs, installing the shocks, and that'll probably be it for that video until more things come about. I gotta actually sand out the tank. The tank is really grody. I wanted to try that. No luck on that. That was pretty dirty. Anyways, Loxon out.